Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain you about two new updates on GST portal. Hi, myself Akila, GST practitioner. The first update is on furnishing bank details on your GST portal. Many of you know that you have to link your bank account to your GST portal. Once you get the GST registration, you have to update your bank details to your GST portal. So before there was a time period of 30 days for you to update the bank account to your GST portal. Now it has been updated as you have to update your bank account before filing your GSTR-1 or IFF or within 30 days of GST registration, whichever is earlier. As per the rule, the taxpayer has to furnish the bank account details in the GST portal within 30 days of the date from which the GST has approved your registration. That is, once you receive the GST number, from that date within 30 days you have to furnish your bank details to your GST portal. Now the new update is you have to furnish the bank details within the filing of GSTR-1 or IFF or within 30 days from the date of registration, whichever is earlier. You have to furnish your bank account details. GST department had already issued various communications to the taxpayer for furnishing the details of a valid bank account in your GST registration. And from 1st September 2024, this rule is being enforced that a taxpayer will not be allowed to file GSTR-1 or IFF if they are not furnished their bank account to your GST registration. And therefore, all the taxpayers who have not yet furnished your bank account to your GST registration are requested to add your bank details to your GST registration by navigating. The navigation has been provided. First, you have to click on services and then click on registration, and then click on amendment of registration non-core field tab. Then you will find the option to add your bank account. Click on that option and you can add your bank account by providing the necessary details. It is informed that if you fail to update your bank account, you will not be able to file your GSTR-1 of the tax period August 2024. It is informed that if you fail to add your bank account within the given time, you will not be allowed to file your GSTR-1 return filing for the tax period of August 2024. This is the first update in the GST portal. Now let's see the second update, that is the introduction of RCM Liability or ITC Statement on GST Portal. To assist taxpayers in correctly reporting their reverse charge mechanism transaction in GST Portal, a new statement has been issued, that is RCM Liability or ITC Statement. This system will enhance accuracy and transparency in reverse charge mechanism transaction by capturing the RCM liability shown in the GSTR table 3.1D and its corresponding in ITC statement. This statement will be applicable from the tax period of August for monthly taxpayer and for quarterly taxpayer from July to September 2024. The RCM liability or ITC statement can be accessed by navigating services, ledger and RCM liability or ITC statement form. Here says you have to report the opening balance in RCM liability form. These are the steps how to report the opening balance. The RCM opening balance can be reported by following the navigations, like as I said, first you have to click on services, then ledgers, and you have to click on RCM liability or ITC statement, and you have to click on report RCM ITC opening balance. So a form will be open. In case the taxpayer have already paid the excess RCM liability and it has not been claimed via input tax credit, it has to be in the opening balance. The excess amount which the taxpayer has paid has to be shown in positive values. If the taxpayer has already availed the ITC amount and it has not been shown in Form 3.1D, then the excess amount which the taxpayer has claimed has to be shown in opening balance as in negative value. If the taxpayer wants to reclaim the RCM which was already reversed in the earlier tax period through table number 4B2 of GSTR 3B, if eligible, he can claim such RTC in table number 4A5 of GSTR 3B. And he should not claim the same RCM ITC from table number 4A2 and 4A3. The opening balance has to be reconciled till in case of monthly taxpayer. The reverse charge mechanism transaction has to be shown till the tax period of July 2024 in case of monthly taxpayer. And in case of quarterly taxpayer, the reverse charge mechanism transaction has to be shown till April to June, that is first quarter Q1 of the financial year 2024 and 25. And the deadlines to show the opening balance of RCM liability is till 30th of November 2024. If the taxpayer rectify any error committed in the while posting the reverse charge mechanism transaction, he can amend it twice within the date 30th of November 2024. No amendment can be done, or you cannot show the opening balance after the 30th of November 2024.